Let's start. Take 2 cups of besan, add the green chili and ginger, citric acid, some hing or asafoetida, sugar, salt. Mix it well. Add the water. Now also mix it. With the help of hand beater, whisk the water and oil very properly. If you want the ingredients list and their measurements, they are given in the description box down below. After whisking of 5 minutes, let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Set up the steamer with the stand and the plate. After 15 minutes, add the baking soda. Now whisk it well for a few seconds and pour it into the bowl. Keep it for steaming for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Let's make the tadka for the dhokla. In a pan, add some oil, some rye or mustard seeds, hing or asafoetida, some green chili, Kadhi Patta, some water and sugar with some salt to taste. Tadka is done. After 30 minutes of steaming, we will check the dhokla if it is ready or not. Cut it with the sides. Now flip over the bowl to the plate. Here is our dhokla ready. We will check the softness. It is very soft and spongy. Cut it down with a knife and add the tadka over it, and your dhokla is all ready. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.